Hello YouTube, Southpoint again. Anyway, update. All the wall ties have been isolated on this wall. All the new wall ties have been installed. All I've got to do now is phone them out, which I'll do tomorrow or Monday. Phone them out and I can point over them. That shouldn't take too long. However, today I've been pointing. So let's have a look at what we got. As you can see, the next door neighbours is quite dark. Okay. So I've been doing this. Haven't quite finished. Just the window bay. Sort of struck variant. That's how the new wall ties are in. Anyway, leave a comment.